Welcome to this episode on understanding your body's natural ovulation cycle. If you're trying to conceive, understanding the ins and outs of ovulation is key to optimizing your chances of becoming pregnant. Our menstrual cycle is controlled by a complex interplay of hormones that triggers the growth and release of an egg from your ovaries. This process, known as ovulation, is the most fertile time of your cycle, and usually occurs about halfway through your menstrual cycle. But how do you know when you're ovulating? There are a few key signs to look out for. Any of the most common signs is a change in your cervical mucus. As you approach ovulation, your cervical mucus will become thin and slippery, making it easier for sperm to travel up to the egg. Another sign is a slight increase in basal body temperature, or BBT. This is the temperature of your body at rest, and it tends to rise slightly after ovulation. Whether you are ovulating can be measured with our test. In addition, there are several other methods. One method is to track your menstrual cycle and calculate your fertile window based on the length of your cycle. To use this method, you need to start by recording the date of the first day of your last menstrual period. Then, calculate the length of your cycle, which is the time from the first day of one period to the first day of the next. The cycle can vary in length, but typically lasts between 21 and 35 days. To calculate your fertile days, you need to take into account several days before and after ovulation, as sperm can survive in a woman's body for up to 5 days. Fertile days are approximately 5 days before ovulation and 2 days after it. For example, if your menstrual cycle lasts 28 days, ovulation typically occurs around day 14 of the cycle. In this case, fertile days are from about day 9 to day 16 of the cycle. However, the calendar method is less accurate than other methods, such as monitoring changes in body temperature or tracking hormone levels in urine using ovulation tests. It is also important to remember that every woman is different and menstrual cycles can vary over time, so it is important to carefully track your body and respond to its needs.